We'll guide you through how to get rid of screen time on iOS 26 without the passcode. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, but you can follow this on an iPad. So screen time setup, there's going to be limits of how much time can we spend on apps, but also the entire device itself. And you may want to go and turn this off because it can go and limit with what you can go and do as well, not just screen time, but also different content that can be accessed and features changed. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. So what we can go and do is go and open up the settings app on our iPhone or iPad like so. Then what you need to do is you need to go down and you need to go and find the option for screen time, as you can see just here. So if I go into any of these different settings here, for example, app limits, you can go and see I can only spend an hour a day on Instagram and also an hour a day on TikTok. If I try and turn these off or try and delete one of these, we go and get asked for the screen time passcode, which I can't remember, I don't know it. So I want to go and remove this without the passcode, which will guide you through. So if we come back, this will also go and apply to the other settings here as well. Even the content and privacy restrictions, these can really limit what can be done on your iPhone as well. Once again, I can't go and enter in the passcode. So what we can do is we can come out of here. You need to come all the way down to the bottom and you want to go and find the option for change screen time passcode. So you can go and tap that there and you'll go and get a pop-up. We can either change it or just go and completely turn it off, which is what we're going to do. On either of these though, when you go and do that at the bottom, you then go and see the option for forgot passcode, and we can go and press that. And so because we don't know the passcode, we can go and recover it with the Apple account. So you can go and sign in here, or if you don't know it, you can get the person who does know it to go and enter it if they've forgotten it. If you've forgotten the Apple ID account password, then the forgot password button can be pressed and the can then go and be reset. Go and press OK like so, and then wait. And shortly it's then going to go and be turned off. You can see it now says lock screen time settings. So now we can come up to app limits and screen time and we can go and turn this off like so. And you can go and turn these other ones off as well. And if you want to, you can go and turn this entire thing off as well. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.